Hello friends, I have one Laserjet Enterprise M605 model with this problem, 13.A2.FF jam in other. Usually this error means that you have jammed paper inside the printer. Now I will show you how to remove this jammed paper. Open the cartridge cover and take out the cartridge. Now let's see what we have inside. Usually the paper is somewhere here, and yes, you can see a small part of the paper. You can see here we have more paper under this cover, and we need to take it out. How to take it out? Just remove this part. Lift up this cover and take out carefully the jammed paper. Do not use any sharp tools, because you can damage more your printer. Carefully take out the jammed paper. There are more pieces of paper here. We need to take them out, all of them. One last look. It looks okay. Okay, let's see what happens next. Reassemble all of the things. Yes, we are ready. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.